Hi, my name is Kristin Northcutt, and this is my primate fact sheet over the Ecuadorian white-fronted capuchin. So their scientific name is the Cebus equantolioris, and their common name is the Ecuadorian white-fronted capuchin. So here is their taxonomical position, starting with kingdom all the way down to their genus. One fun fact is that the Ecuadorian white-fronted capuchin was previously considered a subspecies of Humboldt's white-fronted capuchin, Cebus albifrons, but it was designated as its own distinct species in 2013. So for their geographical location, they are primarily found in Ecuador. They are distributed in the tropical and subtropical forested regions of western Ecuador and northern Peru, and they are typically found between the Guayabombe River in the north to the Cerros de Ontape National Park in the south. And you can see that highlighted here on the map. So for their physical description, their head and body are usually about 35 to 51 centimeters long, and their tails are usually 40 to 50 centimeters long, so they are actually longer than their body itself. The males will weigh about 1.7 to 3.6 kilograms, and the females will be a little bit smaller, weighing 1.2 to 2.2 kilograms. They will have semi-prehensile tails, meaning that they will use their tails to grab onto objects or branches while they forage for food. So the front of the white-fronted capuchins will be white, very pale, and this will become slightly darker near their belly compared to their chest. The rest of their fur can be many shades of brown, usually close to that cinnamon brown color in this bottom photo. And they'll have a darker line of fur straight down the center of their back. Their faces are usually a more gray-brown color, and their hands and feet and the tips of their tails will be a little lighter than their backs as well. So for their diets, they are omnivores, so their diets mainly include fresh fruits, including mangoes, figs, and palm fruits. They will also be known to eat nuts. They may also supplement their diets with nectar, insects, and their eggs, and then also small birds and crabs. Their diet also includes corn, bananas, plantain, and cocoa plantations, where they're seen as pests of, since they tend to feed off the cultivated fruits of farms in their area. So for the social organization of the white-fronted capuchins, they usually live in groups of 5 to 20 members. Their groups are made up of adult females with one dominant leader, making them one male, multi-female groups. Then the other males in the groups will be younger and be less aggressive. They're only known to be aggressive when they come in contact with males of other groups. And sometimes another fun fact is that their social needs can be so intense that if they are young and alone, they may interact with other species such as spider monkeys, but only if they're exposed while they're really young. Additionally, they practice allomothering, which is where the dominant females will take care and nurse all of the young that are under 2 months old. So the Ecuadorian white-fronted capuchins are critically endangered. This is mostly due to deforestation of their habitats, and they are also known to be hunted for crop raiding of the crops that they are considered pests for. And here are my references. So thank you for listening to my primate fact sheet.